G'day ladies and gents, welcome to your Drowzly Anti-Snore Mouthguard How to Mould video. Your easy peasy, boil and bite mouthguard that helps you and your partner get a good night's sleep. There are a few things you're going to need before you start.
First, you'll need 2 bowls, one for hot and one for cold. A timer, gloves if possible, and a tool of your choice such as this big spoon to fish it out of the water if you can't pull it out with the handle provided. Alright, now let's get started.
First, open your Drowzly packaging and remove the mould from inside the container. Then pop the holding stick into the front air hole. That little stick keeps the airways open and gives you something to grab onto when trying to remove the mouthguard from the hot water.
Now carefully place it into the hot water, not bubbling like mad, just nice and steamy. Let it soak for 40 seconds, use a stick to keep it steady to ensure no burnt fingers. After 40 seconds, lift it out, give it a quick shake and let it cool for just a tick. You want it warm, not sizzling. Pop it into your mouth and bite down nice and firm. Press with your fingers and tongue to shape it into your pearly whites. Try and suck on it until your gums hold it. Now hold it there for 40 seconds. Done? Rip it out and rinse it under cold water to lock in the fit. Then place it in the other bowl of cold water to cool it down for 2 minutes. Look at that, custom molded and ready to roll. To give it a quick clean, just use your regular toothbrush and toothpaste to give it a good scrub, rinse well, and you're good as gold.
Drowzly. Sleep quiet, live better, and wake up feeling fresh as a daisy.